everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I have a part 1 Temu haul here that I want to share with you. This is a small bag, but it's got several items in it that I wanted to share. Alright, so I bought a bunch of ribbon off Temu. This is a blue one, and this is the satin type ribbon. Alright, these are some pretty thick ribbons, y'all. They're not that small, as you can see in my hand. So I got the blue one, got a gold one, or yellow. I think it's more of a yellow gold. We got black. I think this is black. Let me make sure, because sometimes what I see and what you see are two different things. Because my bags I had pulled out that I showed you the other day, I thought was black. It's actually lilac. It's purple. I think I say that in the video, but this might be lilac. What it says is color 39-1. So it doesn't tell me the actual color. Let's open it and see if we can tell. Let me just look in the light here. Yeah, this is black. It's definitely black. Alright, so I got some black ribbon. Look how thick that is. You're getting a lot of ribbon here. This is 15 yards of ribbon that I got off Temu. Alright, so far we got the gold, the blue, the black. Just back in the bag. Alright, I got the white. Kind of a silver white. Got the purple. Got some green. We got pink. Alright, this is a wine color. Very pretty. Not really red. It's really a wine type color. Alright, we've got another purple here. Got two purples because of the season. Alright, now we got not real sure what this is, but I know I got it for a reason, so let me open it and take it out. Okay, this is also some ribbon. These are a smaller piece of the mesh type. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is the mesh ribbon. And these are pretty small. They're actually smaller than I thought they were going to be. But that's okay, because we're going to make it do what it do. They will get used. And they were not expensive at all. So I got that in black. I've got the gold mesh. We got another black mesh. I got the rose gold here, or the pink. Looks more like a rose gold. We got another gold one. And another black one. Did a lot of black and gold for Father's Day. Alright, and then we got I think this is a lilac, purplish kind of color. I wish they would put the colors on the outside of the bags so we can actually see it, but I think it's a purplish. Yeah, it's a purplish color. Real pretty. So I will be definitely making good use of these. Alright, and then for Mother's Day, let me see. I think that one's another black one. I think that might be almost it for those. We got a white one. And that's it for those. Alright, and then I probably will go back in and get some more of these. I'm sorry, I think there's some more in here. So a couple of more gold ones. So some reason they stuck the bag inside a bag. So we're going to turn this bag inside out just to make sure. Okay, we got all the little packets out. That's a cream colored one. I think that's all of them. The black one just fell in my lap. Alright, I'm pretty confident that that's all of them in there. Okay. And then the outer bag, I have a blue one that fell out. And that's the blue one. Alright, now, I got these, which are just little, it's also ribbon. But these are the plaid. This is the black and white edged plaid. And you get 2 yards. Alright, and then this is the red and white check plaid, or plaid pattern. And these were to go with the bags that I bought. Alright, so that's a bunch of ribbon that I got. And for all of this ribbon and the sheer ribbon as well, I paid, I'm going to tell you what I paid for these. Well, no, I'm not, because this is part of a 3-part bag. So I'll have to break down just how much the ribbons were. But I can tell you that all of this ribbon was not more than $25. Because these ribbons were about $1 and some change each. Alright, so I got a lot of ribbon here. And I have probably 6 bags in the car. And another box and 2 boxes, so 3 boxes out in the living room. So I'm going to be doing some haul videos just to show you some of the things that I purchased for my basket making that I am very serious about. So I'm enjoying this journey, and I'm glad to take you along with me. Alright, so make sure you tune in for part 2, the next Temu bag, which I will be unboxing with you. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful evening. I've got to go feed the kiddos and get us ready for tomorrow. So until the next video, be blessed and be a blessing. Bye-bye.